Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to clear cache and cookies in Firefox on Windows 11. Open Firefox app. Click on the burger menu at the top right corner of the window. Choose History from the list. Click on Clear Recent History. Select Time Range from the drop-down list. A pop-up window will open. Select what history do you want to remove. Check cookies and cache to clear them. We advise to choose everything when clearing cookies and cache. Click OK. Click on the burger menu at the top right corner of the window. Choose Settings from the list. Select Privacy and Security from the left side list. Go to Cookies, Site, and Data. Click on Clear Data. Click on Clear in the pop-up window. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!